In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a message in Slack without starting a thread. Open Slack in your browser and go to your workspace. This assumes you are already signed in, so you should be on the main Slack dashboard. In the left sidebar, where your channels are listed, click the channel for this walkthrough, the Team Updates channel. When the channel opens, look at the main message timeline in the center of the screen. You should see 3 messages. Move your mouse over the middle message which says, "Can someone confirm the demo is scheduled for Thursday?" Keep the pointer on that message until the small action toolbar appears in the top right corner. The toolbar includes an emoji icon, a speech bubble, a right-pointing arrow, a bookmark, and 3 dots. Do not click the speech bubble because that opens a thread. Click the right-pointing arrow icon instead. Its tooltip reads, "Forward message." A forward this message dialog opens in the center of the screen. Click inside the To field at the top of the dialog. Type the channel name, Team-Updates. Enter it steadily so Slack has time to show the matching channel suggestion. When the Team Updates channel appears in the suggestion list, click it. The destination is now set to the same channel. That destination is what makes the reply post back into the main channel timeline instead of creating a separate thread. Now click inside the Add a Message text box below the destination field. Type the response, confirmed, followed by a dash, then Thursday at 2 p.m. in the main conference room. Make sure the full response is entered in this message box, because this is the text that will be posted in line with the forwarded message. After the response is entered, go to the bottom right corner of the dialog and click the Forward button. The dialog closes and Slack returns you to the channel view. At the bottom of the Team Updates channel, a new message appears in the main timeline. It shows you reply, confirmed Thursday at 2 p.m. And it also includes a framed preview of the original message above it. Everyone in the channel can read your answer directly in the main feed. No thread was created, and no one needs to click View Thread. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations, you have replied inline in Slack without starting a thread.